Hello everyone, this is Bob from BobsCNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to look at a condition that happens from time to time, especially if you have old eyes like me. You've looked at the manual, you've hooked up the connections just right, but something's not working. Well, the problem is it really is easy to get a pin offset on a stepper motor connector. So I want to show you what happens. So I've got the Y-axis only hooked to 3 pins, and we're going to go ahead and home the machine. Looks like it's working, right? Uh-oh, what happened? You can see that the Y is just not really doing anything. It's just vibrating around. So that's what happens kind of if you get it only 3 pins connected. And it's really hard to see, especially if you're going to do it here in the dark. But I'm going to reach down here, and oh, I see the pin. So I'm going to go ahead and just connect that correctly, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the Z-axis, because this will throw you too, because now your machine doesn't work at all. Okay, so I'm going to turn the power on, and for sure, guys, if you're unplugging or plugging in connections to the driver or the controller, make sure your power's unplugged. So I plug it back in, and I'll just go ahead and give it another shot here. Home machine. What in the world is going on? That's not going to work. Right? So that's what the Z looks like when it's only on 3 pins. Now you'll see that the X will do exactly the same thing, except for a little bit more dramatic, especially if you get one of them correct. One of them's vibrating around and the other one's trying to move. So it looks awful, so I'm not going to do that one because it just hurts my feelings too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this one back up to all 4 pins. And then I'll go ahead and slide it up a little bit, hook the power back on. And you'll see that once all 4 pins are connected, I guess I didn't do it right. So let me try that one more time. Okay. That wasn't really on purpose. I really did hook it up wrong. Okay, so let me try that again, and I'm going to check and double check this time, which is probably a good idea. All right, so let's see what happens now. Now I'm a little nervous. So let's hit home machine. And I got the Z hooked right. Now will the Y be hooked right? Yeah, it looks like it. So if all 4 pins are connected to all 4 wires, then the motors will be able to do what stepper motors do, and it should home successfully. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.